A year ago, Juan Guaidó declared himself Venezuela's interim president. 12 months on, he tried to jump a fence to enter parliament. He's gone from attracting rock star-worthy crowds to rock star-like drama. He promised to oust President Nicolás Maduro, but Guaidó appears well away from achieving his political goal. In early January, security forces blocked Guaidó and his supporters from entering the National Assembly, where they were set to re-elect him as Congress chief. It's the only government branch in opposition hands. Instead, a new head of parliament was sworn in inside the chamber to replace him, Luis Parra. But in a separate session at a newspaper office, Guaidó was re-elected for a second term. 2 days later, he took his place as head in the Legislative Palace. After that standoff, Guaidó called on opposition supporters to demonstrate against President Maduro.
It's time to stand up, time to shake things up, time for our vindication. It's time to return each sector to the streets, to demand protest, claim, take back Venezuela.
Guaidó is recognized by more than 50 countries, including the US, as the interim president. But his ability to bring activists out to protest and even to unite the opposition inside Venezuela has been in doubt. He's set off on an international mission to once again build momentum for his bid to oust Maduro.
We have begun this tour. We have undertaken it precisely to find the tools to take action against the dictatorship, to support the struggle Venezuelans have had for years, the sacrifice of so many who've been estranged from their families. Today in Venezuela, a vast majority of the country is set against this dictatorship.
Maduro's political staying power has been in full display over the past year. He retains the support of allies like Russia, China, Turkey and Cuba, and the all-important domestic backing of the Venezuelan military. In a recent interview with the Washington Post, Maduro said he's open to direct talks with the US, which has placed strict sanctions on Caracas. And his focus is also on elections for that opposition-held assembly.
Es inevitable, como es inevitable la salida del sol cada mañana, que este año 2020 haya elecciones para elegir una nueva asamblea nacional y el pueblo decida este conflicto con su voto, con su conciencia, con su voluntad política. 2020 elecciones parlamentarias.
Which raises the question, is Guaidó still the best-placed opposition politician to take on Maduro? Natalie Pohonen, The Newsmakers.